Hey everybody, and welcome to Stock Abilities. Today I'm going to be talking about Enteromedics. They've been having a rough time lately in the last few days, of course, because of the offering. The offering is 531 per unit, including the warrant at 584. If you look at the basic charts here, I'm not going to get into more sophisticated ones for you guys, just to keep it kind of simple. Opened at 670. Had a little bit of a spike there, then just kept dipping all day long up until around where it hit the offering price. As you can see here, every time it started to peak down to that, below that, or around that, it started to pop back up and up and up. They tried to ride the momentum there throughout the day there. They had it going pretty good for a while there, and then of course it dipped back down, dipping more and more and more, and then up and down into the after hours. Hasn't really did a whole lot of good lately. I believe it's going to drop even more tomorrow. We'll see if it holds up above the actual pricing for the offering. If it goes below 530, I think that's a good buy-in point. Of course, you could buy in sooner than that because at this point it's much lower than it was just a few days ago. As you can take a look here, it's been on a downward trend since the 11th when it popped up just a little bit before that, all the way down to its current 562 price. Going a little bit further here, they've had a multitude of different filings lately. As you can see here, the main one, of course, was the offering. Goes into detail more about that if you guys want to check it out on their website. And the effectiveness notice was on the 17th of 2017, hence the plummet very recently. And some other things to note for more of the short term is that, as you can see in their own filing themselves, they say we have incurred losses since inception and we anticipate that we will continue to incur losses for the foreseeable future. This doesn't necessarily mean anything bad or good. Bios usually lose a lot of money over the years until they get a successful product on the market. In Enteromedics' case, they have a lot of contracts going on for them. Unfortunately, they do not have insurance yet, and they haven't really proved much of success with sales lately. Going a little bit further, a lot of people were questioning this, but it doesn't seem likely that they're going to get insurance this year. As you can see here, they themselves believe that they're not going to be having much of anything other than self-pay patients into 2017. So it's more of a long term at this point. You might get a little bit of a spike here coming up, but after that, unless you're willing to hold long, it's probably not a good idea to stick around if you're a day trader or something like that, or a swing trader or whatever, what have you. And that about sums up all of what I was going to talk about with Enteromedics. If you have any questions or if you want to know anything else about Enteromedics, make sure to check out all of my other videos. I cover a lot of different things. Make sure to like this video if you like it. Make sure to share this video if you'd like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about B-Block, Enteromedics, and all that kind of stuff. Have a nice day.